Okay guys, today we're going to show you how to use the Cricut Design Space to make a multicolor layered transfer. So what we're going to do is use this Chicago Bulls symbol, and you basically just take your image. So you're gonna upload the image into Cricut, and depending on how many colors it has will determine how many times you're going to have to do this and how many layers you'll have. So what we want to do is, after we upload it, select all of the colors except for one. So like, we're going to select the black, and that will remove everything black in the image, and then we're going to select the white parts and remove everything white, so that this layer will just be the red part of the Bulls symbol. And so you can change it after you click and select big areas. You can change it to eraser mode, and then, as I'm doing here, just erase any outlines or portions that it did not fully take out of our image. And you see, you can change the size of the eraser as well while you do that. So it looks pretty good. I think I got all the black removed and the white removed. So now we're gonna finish the upload, and we're gonna choose a cut image, and you'll see it is now in our library of recently uploaded. So we're gonna choose the full picture again, and we're gonna go ahead and do this for each color of the image we want. So since we did red last time, now we're going to do the white, so I've taken out all the black, I've taken out the red and the horns. I'm going to go ahead and touch up this little leftover with an eraser. Touch up this ear, make sure we get that. Now, I left this red down here, so let me get it out of the picture by clicking on all of it. Then I'll go back to the eraser and just touch up this. Right here I'm going around the white that is actually in the bull's eye. And delete all this. Okay. And now this looks pretty good. Oh, gotta get that. Now I can upload it. Select a cut image. And one more time, do the exact same thing. We're going to upload the image one more time, the full image. We're going to, this time, keep just the black outline. Which, for the outline, you don't even have to worry about really using your eraser. You can just select everything that's red and white. Yeah. Okay, and now that we've got all of it except the outline removed, we're going to finish uploading that image. And choose a cut image. Okay. And now we're going to select all three of the cuts that we just created along with the original image and add them to our project. And now what we're going to do is arrange them so that we can see them all and change the color to the color that we want it. So red for the face, white for the horns. Outline's still going to be black. And now we can line those images all up. Then we're going to select them all, make it a little smaller, click make. Now you're going to want to mirror each of these if you're doing a heat transfer for a shirt. And as you can see, it separates them by color. You can load your Cricut with each of those colors and cut them each individually. And when you click on the cut button, you'll just, as normal, choose your machine, choose your material, and let her rip.